Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a couple of replicas of the Yamaha YXZ 1000R yellow variant and the blue and white variant, which are 118 scale diecast ATVs manufactured by Newray. And I'm going to be showing you the features and specifications of these amazing replicas, so stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, to begin with, I couldn't help but get both these variants. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. These Yamaha ATV diecast replicas comes in a standard window type box, and in this case which is pretty roughed up, which for some odd reason is the usual with the Newray products. So moving on the bottom you will see the Yamaha YXZ 1000R, which is the model name, along with some standard warning regulation literature, and on the top upper corner of the box you will see the Newray logo, which is the manufacturer. And moving on to the top you will see the Yamaha YZX 1000R branding along with the scale, which is a 118 scale, and flipping over to the side is the Yamaha YXZ 1000R branding. And on the back you will see the Newray logo alongside the Yamaha branding with the graphic of the two different variants this replica is available in. And on this side you will see the Yamaha YXZ 1000R branding yet again. And finally, flipping over to the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast Yamaha replica. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get these opened. So, before we begin, I would like to mention that these 118 scale diecast Yamaha ATV replicas come in two color variants, which is the yellow variant and the blue and white variant. So before we begin, let me just say that unlike the packaging, these are beautiful replicas of the Yamaha YXZ 1000R, and I'm glad I got these replicas to add a bit of variety to Dnation's diecast collection. So my first thoughts about these diecast ATV replicas is that I'm really satisfied with the build quality, as most of the components are made of diecast with a few components made of molded plastic, which makes it quite sturdy and built to last. Overall, I'm glad I got these Yamaha ATV variants, and I should admit that these models look quite stunning and look just as beautiful as their real life counterparts. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model comes with a black and yellow chassis and roll cage with an amazing yellow, black and white paint scheme. This replica comes with a well sculpted and massive front unit, which is mostly in yellow and black, and comes with a pair of silver headlights on both sides that are painted in. I love the molded front crash bar and bumper that is in black, which flows into an amazingly detailed front wheel setup, and what stands out the most are these well detailed off-road shocks, which are in yellow, that stand out along with a pair of springs which are in white, that are mounted to the front wheel setup with off-road rubber tires with black rims. Moving on to the side is a sturdy side door and rear tail unit, which has a two-tone paint job with some simplistic yet amazing graphics which are in yellow, white and black. And on the interior is a pair of well-sculpted driver and passenger bucket seats with a steering wheel and a detailed dashboard and center console. And moving on to the back, you will see yet another well-detailed pair of off-road shocks with a pair of springs that are mounted to the rear wheel setup, which are in black and yellow with off-road rubber tires as well, with a blacked out rear bumper and a well-detailed engine sculpt with a silver single exhaust. And moving up is an open storage boot for the off-road ATV supplies. And just to mention, the graphics on this side is the same as the other. The rear and front wheel setup has amazing suspension, just like the real-life ATVs would. And to top it all off, this model comes with free-rolling off-road wheels, which is simply amazing. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 4 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 300 grams, which could be matched up with the standard 112 scale motorcycles. Speaking of which, the blue and white variant shares similar specs and features, with an exception of the blue and white color scheme, which looks stunning as well. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Yamaha YXZ 1000R diecast variants, and please do let me know which one of these Yamaha ATV variants are your favorite in the comments below. Well, all I can say is that both these variants look stunning and unique in their own way, and I'm really happy that I got these beautiful Yamaha YXZ 1000R variants that I will gladly add to my 118 scale diecast collection as well. So overall, these are beautiful diecast ATV replicas and a definite must-have for any diecast collector or hobbyist. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for these Yamaha YXZ 1000R diecast ATV replicas in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place these amazing and well-detailed diecast ATV replicas on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and these Yamaha YXZ 1000R replicas get a massive thumbs up from me for their looks as well as for their functionality. So with that being said, let's place these ATV replicas on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Yamaha YXZ 1000R coming up. The Yamaha YXZ 1000R is proof that Yamaha is the leader in power sports performance. Featuring a 998cc inline triple engine mated to an all-new Sport Shift 5-speed sequential shift gearbox with on-command 4-wheel drive, massive Fox racing suspension for the front and rear, and styling that competition can't touch. The YXZ 1000R is in a class by itself, the only true pure sport side-by-side ever developed. Yamaha Motor Company Limited is a Japanese manufacturer of motorcycles, marine products such as boats and outboard motors, and other motorized products. The company was established in 1955 upon separation from Yamaha Corporation and is headquartered in Iwata, Shizuoka, Japan. The company's products include motorcycles, scooters, motorized bicycles, boats, sailboats, personal watercrafts, outboard motors, four-wheel ATVs, recreational off-road vehicles, go-kart engines, golf carts, multi-purpose engines, electric generators, water pumps, industrial use unmanned helicopters, electrical power units for wheelchairs and helmets. The company is also involved in the import and sales of various types of products. And for further information on Yamaha, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these amazing Yamaha YXZ 1000R ATV replicas, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these awesome ATV diecast replicas are your favorite. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.